The Federal Communications Commission says about 15 to 20 million households are overcharged on their telephone landlines. The overcharges come from third-party billing companies for things like voicemail and call waiting. New at 5, consumer specialist Rick Romero shows you how to avoid the overcharges. Rick.
Well, Mark, the scammers are making an awful lot of money off of us, about $2 billion a year. And get this, only about 5% of households that are overcharged even realize they're victims. That's because the charges are well buried in your telephone bill. It's called cramming. Like any small business owner, lemon law attorney Kurt Delsack is trying to keep his expenses down, and that includes his phone bill.
Oops, excuse me. Hello, offices.
But a few weeks ago, Kurt discovered something on his bill he hadn't noticed before.
We discovered that there was some third party that was putting through a bill to Verizon, which we were paying every month without our being aware of it.
It was a charge for $9.25 buried on the last page of his 12-page bill. And in talking to Verizon, he told me he learned he's been paying this monthly fee for over 2 years. The charges, which Kurt had never authorized, came from a third-party billing company called OAN.
I did Google on the internet what OAN was, Operator System Network, and I found a couple of websites that had dozens and dozens of people complaining under different names for different amounts, for different lengths of time. So apparently this is something that's been going on for a while.
What happened to Kurt can happen to all of us. So know your phone bill. That way you can recognize unusual charges. Don't provide your name, address, and phone number for promotions, coupons, and sweepstakes without knowing exactly where it's going. That's how the scammers get your okay to charge you. And contact your phone company right away to dispute any charges you didn't authorize. After Kurt talked to Verizon, they reimbursed him for 1 year of the charges, but now he checks his bill
A lot more carefully, yes.
Most local phone companies require you to opt out or shut off any third-party billing, so make sure you contact your phone company to do so. And if you do have unauthorized charges from a third-party provider, contact them as well to dispute the fees and then make sure they're permanently removed. Michelle, Mark, back to you.
All right, I'm going to be checking out my phone bill tonight. Rick, thanks very much.